You know me? You know me? You don't give a fuck. You better feel like you better do it. Nobody. You say you better fuck you. I mean them friends. We say one more when you get to the remember I just said, a woman change their pussy? Yeah, man, so, I use this thing again. This your blood clot, bro. Alright, run if you can't walk. Run. If you can't blood clot, walk. Sir, one. Sir. What you say? Miss. What you say? What?
About 1 p.m. today, some men who was working in the gully at the bottom of Tex Lane was sitting having refreshment when a bike rolled up the pillar and opened gunfire at the men. 4 persons so far, according to our reports, have been shot and injured, and they are presently at the Kingston Public Hospital where they are undergoing treatment. No suspect were police who were in the area responded, gave chase, but the men did their escape.
Wagwan viewers, welcome back to the channel. So, foreman SHOT in gully in Kingston while cleaning the gully. Plus, man and woman in a KFC accosting people almost end up in a fight. So, first part of the video I just show now. Man and woman in a KFC, and boy, I don't know why them things are always happening in a KFC and Burger King. Like, so those type of food establishment where somebody and one next person catch up in the place. So as you can see, the man say yo the lady she first dissing my people, and he must start talk back and diss up the lady. But right now my people, this a lady I come like she ready for the fight. Anytime that the man they ready, you can see yo that lady they are bad woman in a real life now my people, cause to how she happen people if it wasn't for the people who are coming for like basically ease her off and I tell them say you're not bother with it. Remember me tell her war would have gone or so, and them things don't look good because as 2 big persons, you know, say people can always have them disagreement, but just slowly. But as you can see them just attack and attack, and you know, say more you attack and attack, you don't know say yo it gonna end up in a something when I look good and probably big fight go on and somebody gets some serious hurt. As me say, me always see them things are going to KFC, you know. Yeah man, me don't know where them put in the chicken, but something where them put in the chicken and make them a people a behave. So as the news stated, foreman SHOT in Kingston while cleaning gully. So I think I did more than 4 man because I'm clean a gully in a Kingston, and basically gunman pull up on them. I don't know if somebody specifically them come for, but them just pull up the some people and just start shoot up the place. 4 men got injured and they were rushed to the hospital and them undergo treatment. But I tell you, say, yo, Jamaica, you know, Jamaica is not an easy place, you know. Remember me tell you, the man them thirsty for blood, them hungry for blood. More why me I wonder if I them over man tell some of them are scammer boy or you don't know the gang man, the man them in the gang for do them things on my people. More why them things are hitting a man, like a man send out a hit to a specific person and them there one place among some other persons, and you don't know say yo instead of just basically SHOT one them just start blaze up the place. I keep on up to date on this still.